When I think about my skills and abilities as a creator, I have to tell you my little secret. My secret is I use a template for just about anything. That's right. I do not try to create something from scratch whenever there is an already decent version out there that I can zhuzh up and make it my own, which is why today I want to talk to you about email templates, because this is something that so many people ask, like, well, do you just do plain text emails? What if I want to do something prettier and make it more brand specific to what I'm doing? If that is you, you're in luck today because we are diving into email templates. So let's get right to it. Welcome back to the channel today as we talk about email templates and where you can find ones that can work for you and your business. I'm Crystal Proffitt. I am your podcast therapist helping you work on the relationship with your content. And like I said earlier, whenever it comes to design and creativity, I use what's already out there. I try not to create from scratch. It's why I rely heavily on so many templates in my business. And specifically today, I want to talk about ConvertKit's email template marketplace. Did you know that they had a marketplace for templates? Because I didn't until I started poking around and I was looking at all the cool features that ConvertKit has. And the email marketplace is filled with so many incredible things that you can use, whether they're free or they're paid. And from experience, I've been using Canva since 2015. I know it's like OG, old school, whenever it was a much smaller company. And I look at all the templates that they have built. It's like Canva for your email. And it is so incredible. Which brings me to today's video sponsor. We are proudly supported by ConvertKit, and I am so happy to walk you through all the features of the marketplace. So let's go to the computer and I'm going to show you how it's done. So something I've always loved about ConvertKit as a company is they're always trying to give back to creators. And one thing that they have really done, and what I just love so much about this model, is they're giving you a place to earn money as a creator. So yes, we as business owners and people using this marketplace could purchase things, but also people on the back end can create these beautiful designs, whether you're an artist or you're someone that's in web design and you just want to test out your skills and how you can make emails better, this is your place. So again, ConvertKit, I always give them kudos for how much they say that they want to participate in the creator economy and building up creators, and they're putting their money where their mouth is, and they are creating this marketplace specifically for creators to earn a living, but also for you and I to grab these incredible designs. So what I want to show you is you go to convertkit.com/marketplace. So ConvertKit is soon to be rebranded to Kit. So this URL may change in the future, but don't worry, it will be redirected in that case. But what's really cool about it is having all the different options. So you can sort and look through all of these different ones when you land here. And you can see that some of them include prices, but we'll go back up to the top and you'll see that some are also free, and it shows you the artist or the designer who created these. But I love that you can just look at a high level. What I like to do when I'm looking for a template is scroll through and see what speaks to me. This is how I get started with all of the templates that I use. I'm like, ooh, what do I like? What are the things that I would see as a consumer, but also something that would appeal to my audience? And so I actually saw one up here. So I'm going to scroll back up. I think they're all beautiful. But the one that really speaks to me is this one right here. That's kind of wait, what's going on? What's going on? Why are there different things happening? It's a little confusing, but also makes me curious. So I really like this one. But there's also one further up here at the top. I like this one. I really do. I truly like the popping out. I like that it's oh, it looks like there's a waveform. I mean, I'm into podcasting. So it's hey, so if I want to click on it, how does this work? How do you actually get one of these templates? How does this work for you? So you can see up here, it has all the different, like you can actually view it as if it were an email that you were receiving. You can see all the different aspects. Like this is a button. This is, I'm sure, a layout that's in there. This is probably a quote section. And you can go through, and actually this would be really cool for a podcast, like the related episodes, like these could be related blog posts. And I like that this is laid out for content. And then it's really simple. Follow us on, all the different places. It's really simple, but it was very eye-catching for me. So if you're looking at this and you're like, that's great, Crystal, how do I use this? How do I get this actually into my ConvertKit account? Well, first of all, you have to be a ConvertKit user, which is fine because you can go to crystalproffitt.com/ConvertKit. Yes, I am a partner and this is my affiliate link. I am proudly supporting ConvertKit and all the things they do because, again, they do all these things and it's so pretty. But if you're not a ConvertKit user, go to that link and sign up, and you will be able to use the templates in your email. But if you're already a ConvertKit user, you can just click Use Template, and it's going to copy it, and then you're going to be able to use it in your ConvertKit account. You can see it just totally redirected to my ConvertKit account because I'm already signed in. So now I can go in and customize everything. So let's actually go back out. I want to see, first of all, let's go ahead and say test for the Proffitt podcast. That's the name of my show. Here it is. You can go check it out. But if I wanted to come in and, change all these different things, it's really simple to go in and, okay, let's use Roboto. That's one of my most common ones. I love that my brand colors are already saved in here. So I could update that to my brand color, which is just, it's not quite black, but it kind of looks black. And then this right here could just be another logo. So if you have an image that you want to put right here, you could add it. I'm not going to go through and customize the whole thing. I just want to show you how easy it is to add your own branding and fonts and different things to it once you have a template already in here. So I could change this up to the best podcast show. I don't know. We're just making this up on the spot, right? And then it's going to say your weekly content inspiration. Ooh, I like podcast snack. That's good. I'm going to leave it. That sounds fun. Then I could change this to have, my podcast artwork or the episode artwork, or if I want to feature my guest for the week, I could put their picture here. And all of these are different little blocks. So they're called layouts, and you can go in and, change them if you want. I could delete this, like, oh, oops, it's gone, but I can always bring it back. I just did a Control Z and now it's back. So you can absolutely customize this to say whatever you want or have different features. You can change, this is a large button. If I want to include a URL right here that goes directly to the podcast, then that could absolutely work. But this is fantastic for those of you that are just starting your email list and you've been podcasting for a while. Maybe you've been doing your YouTube channel for a while and you're like, I want to start putting out the regular stuff, but sending and writing an entire email feels a little overwhelming for every single episode. This is something that's quick and easy. They just grabbed, you could grab a quote from your episode and throw it in here. You could have a link to, the next episode, whether it's on Apple or you want to link it to your website. This could have something, again, about your guest. And then you could have the related information here. I think I'm actually going to start doing this for my show. But the fact of the matter is it's very easy to get started with the template from the ConvertKit email marketplace. Now, if you're not currently a ConvertKit user and you're asking, well, what is the benefit of having these templates? Like, how can this actually work? There are other, competitors out there that do similar things for templates and designs. But the thing is, ConvertKit really focuses on deliverability and making sure these emails get to your person's inbox. You want to make sure that they are getting to your subscribers. You're spending all this time, energy, and effort. You want to make sure that your deliverability is at the highest rate possible. And that's what ConvertKit focuses on. So you're not going to find clunky designs that slow down or get thrown into the spam folder of all the inboxes of the people that you're trying to reach. These are designed to make sure that your deliverability is at its highest. So that is one key feature that really differentiates ConvertKit from its competitors. And one other note, because I hear this from you all the time, people tell me it's just so hard to get started writing an email. And I think that using a template can help you just get those creative ideas flowing. Even if you don't love every single aspect of one template, at least you have a starting place to where you can go in and say, I love this, I don't love that. Let me change this font. Let me, change the background colors, or let me remove all the colors. I don't want them in there. But it's really important to get started. If you've been on the fence about starting your email marketing journey, then I encourage you to check out these templates from the ConvertKit marketplace, because they can absolutely help streamline getting you going in the right direction with your emails. And you could actually hit send today on your first email once you have one of these templates, and you can publish them very easily. So if you're an existing ConvertKit user, go explore the marketplace, and it is as simple as clicking that button to start using it in ConvertKit immediately, like today. Go check out the free ones. Go look at all the ones that are paid, because they are so beautifully designed. And I think that you could find something that can work for you and your brand. And if you're not a ConvertKit user, again, you can go to crystalproffitt.com/ConvertKit to try them out. And I encourage you to explore all the benefits and features of using ConvertKit for your email marketing. But that's all I have for you today. So make sure you hit the thumbs up and subscribe where you're listening and watching this video today. And as always, remember, keep it up. We all have to start somewhere.